Now that I've got my sprites and background, I need to make the programs. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make the program for your sprites, but only for the obstacle, not for the fish. I'll explain how to do the fish program or the bird program a bit later. So when we've got the obstacles made, and you can see I've got 3, then I need to write a program for our obstacles. So I click on code, and then I select events, and I go when green flag is clicked, and then I select from looks, and I find hide. Then I choose control forever, and I choose wait 8 seconds, and then I say create a clone of myself. That means every 8 seconds we're going to make a new wall, so that we keep getting more and more walls to challenge the player. And then we're also going to get another block from the same section, and it's going to be called when I start as a clone. And we're going to go to looks to switch costume, so we can select different costumes. As you know, we've got 3, so we shall go switch costume 2, but we want it to pick random costumes. You can see I've only got 3 costumes, but you're welcome to make as many as you like. And we go to operators, and we go pick random 1 to 3, because at the moment we have 3 different costumes. 1, 2, and 3. But like I said, if you've got 5 or 6, then you change the number. And we want the costume to appear from the right side of the screen, like Flappy Bird. So we're going to say go to, and we want to say 240, which is on X is on this side, and 0, Y, which is right in the center of the screen. About here is where our obstacle should appear. 240 and 0. And then we're going to start showing the obstacle so the player can see it. And then we're going to choose glide. And we're going to glide for 8 seconds to the end of the screen over here. So minus 240 and 0. So it's going to glide across the screen, slowly approaching the little fish. And then when it gets to the end of the screen, we want it to be invisible. So we can go to control, and we can go delete this clone. Now let's check out how it's going to work when I press the green flag. And you can see slowly the objects are moving. Of course, our fish can't move yet because we haven't programmed it. So the next thing we're going to do is program our fish.